In this video, I will be showcasing to you a demo prototype form where user inputs medical data and predicts the likelihood of having diabetes. So these are the input fields, and now if I press the predict, it takes some time because it uses heavy algorithms for accuracy. Yes, after the prediction is complete, the result is shown like this. So let me walk you through the code for obtaining this function. So this is the code, this is the algorithm, this is the function for generating that output. So these are all the libraries, Python libraries, which I have already explained in my lesson 3. You can watch that video. Now after that, let me explain this code. First of all, there is a data set for calculating the diabetes. The data set is stored in dataset folder diabetes.csv. It is stored like this. Now we need to take that CSV file, we need to read it using pandas. Then we need to clear that reading for missing values. So we can handle the missing values like this using median for missing values. Now we can, after handling the missing values, after cleaning it, we need to select the best features using selectKbest function. This selects the best column among the columns for predicting the diabetes. So using this function, we have selected the best features. Now after that, we are using standard scaler. Standard scaler standardizes the output for some column. For example, -1 to 1, -1 to +1 is a standard scaler. After that, after standardizing the uh, columns values, we use random forest classifier to train the data. For training data, we generally take two types of data: X train and X test data, and Y train and Y test data. And then we use train and test split, which means splitting the data for training purpose and testing purpose. So after splitting the data, we use the training data sets to train the data using random forest classifier, and after training the data, we use the testing data for prediction test. So we are using a prediction function which I have created in here, diabetes predictor class. This is the function for predicting the diabetes. And after that prediction, the accuracy score is calculated, the classification report is generated, and then the trained data is saved using job library for smooth performance, for faster calculations. The datas are set here, 3 datas. And after that, we are using diabetes LLM helper, which is large language model helper, to generate text for the prediction. And these are all the functions for generating the text prediction, the test predictions in English language. We have used GPT-2 model for prediction. And after the prediction, we have used diabetes predictor, the main class, for predicting the diabetes. Here all the prediction functions are written. You can see it. The return values are also recommended here. After that, the main function where we input user data like this, then these are all the values printed. So this is it. This is the working algorithms for diabetes.